And this is what the people of the modern times have to say about gender equality.
What is gender equality? आपके हिसाब से स्त्री पुरुष समानता क्या है?
क्या है बोले, कुछ तो क्या बोलो अभी?
Gender equality, according to me, is where we can let go of the gender role.
Be equal to both the genders.
लड़के लड़की दोनों को सेम राइट मिलना चाहिए.
Let them compete on their own merit rather than on the merit of gender.
Have you been in a situation where you have faced gender discrimination? क्या आपके साथ इस आधार पर भेदभाव हुआ है?
Yes.
In India we faced it since childhood.
Like you cannot go outside late in the night.
पहले एकदम घर में ही रखो, बेटी को पढ़ाओ भी नहीं.
यूनिवर्सिटी में भैया को जाने दिया, हमको जाने नहीं दिया.
There was a little opposite kind of a situation.
नहीं, पढ़े लिखे लोग में बहुत कम होता है.
The girls were preferred more than boys.
This is girl, she's going to get married, she's going to go away. Let's not provide her this opportunity.
One of the sub departments was all boys, and they decided I didn't know enough and didn't listen to me.
अपने कपड़े पे थोड़ा छोटे पहन के चलते, उस पे भी थोड़ा आदमी करता है.
Extremely sexist.
What have you done in order to eliminate gender discrimination? स्त्री पुरुष समानता को बढ़ावा देने के लिए आपने अपनी तरफ से क्या किया है?
भेदभाव क्या करना अभी? हाँ.
I think it starts from your home.
But we are not repeating the same mistake with our kids.
हम भी अपने बच्चे को भी अच्छे से लड़की को भी पढ़ा रहे हैं.
घर पे समानता, उसको अच्छी शिक्षा दी है, पढ़ाया लिखाया.
I always wanted to have a daughter.
I wanted to teach my male friends about equality and also given them the space to grow emotionally.
लेकिन स्ट्रगल होते हुए भी दोनों बच्चों को पढ़ाया और लड़की को इतना पढ़ाया कि उन्होंने हमारा नाम रोशन किया.
The daughters, my friends, to be mine,
Because that's what my in-laws appreciate, that she looks after us better than our son.
How would you like to conclude your thoughts on gender equality? इस विषय पर आपका उपसंहार क्या है?
दोनों का सम्मान तो सरखा होना चाहिए.
When I say equality, it is a woman as well as it has to be a male.
अभी मतलब कुछ नहीं, थोड़ा 10% और है.
को जो है इज्जत देना अपना काम होता है, उनकी रक्षा करना अपना धर्म होता है.
Because it starts from the roots. That's where you inculcate in your mind that he's my son, she's my daughter.
I think our biggest problem is first to dismantle patriarchy as a system, and I feel like it'll be better for everyone in terms of equality.
भेदभाव रखो तो फिर मनुष्य हो तो लेके क्या फायदा? कोई मतलब भी नहीं है.
To treat those old mindset people well and show them that okay, even though we are girls, even though we are women, we are capable.
भेदभाव तो एक बहुत बड़ा वो होता है कि एक दूसरे के बीच में लड़ाई करा देता है.
So instead of gender equality, as in we only focus on women empowerment rather than both male.
Agreed. My son complains of the same thing, that it's too much of women's lib going on, but y'all are not looking at their faults. What they are doing, they're taking an advantage, they're exploiting us on on this pretext of women's liberation and gender equality and all. Yes, I do agree.
And this was what the people of the modern times had to say on this topic.
After interviewing a lot of people, this is our take on gender equality.
Although people are hesitant to admit that they have faced discrimination on the basis of gender, it is proven that India ranks 108 out of 193 countries in the Gender Inequality Index.
Though gender equality in urban regions has increased by a large extent, but there are still some gaps that need to be filled. Some, I believe, quite a lot.
इस भारत देश में जहां स्त्रियों को ममता का रूप माना जाता है, क्यों उसी भारत देश में इनसे इंसान होने का हक छीन लिया जाता है? अब क्या ऐसे पिछड़े विचारों में हम जिएंगे कि स्त्री और पुरुष में मतभेद करने वाली डोरियां हम खींचेंगे? इस भारत देश को जरूरत है जेंडर इक्वालिटी की, और उसे हम इस पूरे देश में पसीजेंगे.
So, do you think that gender equality can prevail in this patriarchal society?